In Lesson 7, I will be discussing verbal communication. Previously, we discussed that verbal communication is a communication with the use of words and language to convey message or information. Verbal communication encompasses any form of communication involving words, whether written or spoken. Verbal communication can be done in two ways. We have the oral spoken communication and written communication. Verbal communication is the most effective form of communication that leads to the rapid interchange of information and feedback. In verbal communication, there are fewer chances of misunderstanding because the communication among parties is clear. Another advantage of verbal communication is that the presence of both parties at the place of communication is not necessary. Verbal communication can be done even if the parties are at different locations. And lastly, verbal communication fulfills the most natural desire of humans, which is to talk. The following are the important functions of verbal communication: to inform, to clarify, to persuade, to inquire, to argue, and to discuss. Verbal communication is important because it is usually done in our everyday activities. Verbal communication occurs in many different contexts, which includes discussions, presentations, group meetings, performances, interviews, disciplinary sessions, and others. Another importance of verbal communication is that improving verbal communication skills can help you foster better relationships with family, friends, and other people.